Hey, it's Ben Bates with Advanced Basement Systems, and today we're going to have a really quick look at what it takes to replace an old sump pump system. And as you can see right here, this is a very old sump pump system, and it's actually made of concrete and steel. And this is James, he's one of our great crew leaders, and he is cutting away here with a PV saw to remove the old original discharge line. And this discharge line takes the water out of the sump pump and pumps it away, and probably goes out into the yard, or a lot of homes have it pump right out into the city storm. So as you can see, finally gets it loose there. And you know, one of the main reasons people call us and want to find out what it costs to get a new sump pump system is because of this exactly, what you're looking at right now. They're unappealing, they let moisture up into the home, they create a very damp space, and as we all know, creatures like spiders and centipedes love moisture. So that's why you're always seeing cobwebs and those critters around open pits of water. And a lot of homeowners too aren't sure about the process of actually putting in, and you're gonna see what one of our liners look like, but putting in a new liner. So yes, it does involve jackhammering. I won't say unfortunately, because it's no big deal. We do it every single day and it's not a problem. And as you'll see at the end of the video, we do a beautiful job. Now, for those of you who are a little bit more technically minded, what you're looking at right here is a retaining wall up against the original foundation. So no, we did not jackhammer out the footing of the home. We would not do that. And there's a great shot of that right there with a little bit more light, captured by Samantha, our marketing manager. So that looks really good. And you can see that metal liner, and what a job this is to get out. So basically, there's Scott, and he's gonna start to dig. And now, so another reason people want to get their sump pump replaced, of course, is because of this, which is there's a high volume of water. And you know, you go away on vacation, or you have a finished space, or you just don't want a flooded basement ever. And James is showing us there how much water is actually coming in to that liner right there. So you can imagine during a rainstorm, it wasn't raining today, but you can imagine how much water would be coming in there, and how much that sump pump would have to pump away. So this is the triple safe sump pump system, and this is completely installed. And I'll go through a couple of things with you really quick here. Now you can see it has two discharge lines. So one discharge line is hooked up to the primary pump that does the everyday pumping for you, no problem. And a lot of people have that discharge out into the municipal city storms. And the second discharge line is the backup pump, and then the battery backup pump. So the first backup pump is, it runs on electricity. It's a 1/2 horsepower pump. And then of course, like I said, the secondary pump on that line is a battery backup. So in the case of a power outage, you're gonna be covered. And those pumps, that discharge line specifically pumps out only to the yard. That discharge line only gets used during emergencies, so it's not a big deal to have that pumping out to the yard. So as you can see with the triple safe sump pump system and all of our sump pump systems, we have an airtight, attractive 2-piece lid. The mechanical clamps are above the lid, so we can do easy service on them. Also, you've got a one-way floor drain. That's the dark little circle that you can see nearest us next to the drain hose. And that's in case of a plumbing leak. The water can go down. It's a ball and cup system, but of course moisture can't come up through the lid. Now, right before we end, I'll tell you the box that you see there, just to the left, there's two actually. One is the battery for the battery backup, and the other one is our Sanidry Sedona, and we'll make another video about that. But that is our basement dehumidifier system, and that drains right into the sump pump too. So thanks for watching today. We really appreciate it. Keep your eye out for some more content, and we'll see you soon.